Okay, now it is official. The latest FCC filing as of 9th of April shows the drone filing and RC filing by DJI. And the filing clearly shows Mavic Air 2. Other than the confirmation of filing, we don't have a lot of other information. Well, the confidentiality of a new product of FCC filing is up until 8th of July. So we should be getting Mavic Air 2 within the next 3 months from now on. Mavic Air 2 will be the first consumer drone from DJI that will have the AirSense ADS-B transmitter, which means the aircraft drone can communicate each other to know exact location of each craft, which means safer flight. You don't have to rely on the sound and sight, but rely on technology. So now let's take a look at a few of the latest leaks on the photo and the design of the drone and RC. Now we're looking at the top part of the drone, and it looks like the battery will go in from the top just like Mavic 2 series. However, because how big the battery is compared to the surface area of the top of the drone, we probably would not have top obstacle sensor. So it would not quite be 360-degree obstacle sensing system. And onto the RC. I mean, it's not the design that I particularly like, and the smartphone probably goes on top of the RC, and it may be bigger to accommodate ADS-B receiver, or possibly OcuSync too, but I'm not sure. But I can still hope. So now onto the quick wish list and what are the key features that we really would love to see. First is of course OcuSync 2. Mavic Air, which was based on their enhanced Wi-Fi signal, was actually pretty terrible. And as for the video resolution, will we see 4K 60 frames per second? That's also less than 50% chance because Mavic 2 series only has 4K 30 frames per second. And if Mavic Air 2 has 4K 60 frames per second, it sort of makes it superior to Mavic 2. Of course, unless DJI has Mavic 3 in mind to be released this year. Who knows? The battery time. Now Mavic Mini, which is much smaller drone, it does have 30-minute flight time. With my current Mavic Air, I'm getting about 15 minutes of decent flight time, which is perhaps not enough. I mean, there are certain competitions such as V-Copter Falcon, which claims to have 50 minutes of battery time. And Hotel Robotics Evo 2 series claims 40 minutes of flight time. So Mavic Air 2, we should expect to see a much improved battery time. And the low noise propeller, we should see that as per the leaked photos that we've seen previously in my other video. And the cost should be sub 1,000, similar as Mavic Air 1. So the total package was around 1,000 USD. So let's see what DJI is baking. I think with drones, DJI has not failed to surprise us with their quality product. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted on any updated news, and I'll come back with some other really good tech reviews very soon. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and see you!